Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be, grab them. I am going to be installing some tape ins today. Look how bomb these Burmese curly bundles are. These are tape ins, as you can see. Get it to focus. All right, so these are tape in extensions. This length that I have in my hand is about 22 inches. I colored these bundles jet black, and this is how it curled up. So bomb, so bomb. So today on my client, I'm going to be installing 3 bundles of tape in extensions. I started blow drying them already, but these are the other ones. And I am going to blow dry these because they are going to end up being straight anyway. She always wears Burmese curly hair. She straightens it. She loves it for the texture. And if she does get into some, misty, rainy kind of weather, it'll just curl up nicely and she'll be fine. So these, what did I say? 3 bundles. Jet black. I'm going to color her hair as well, jet black. They come with about 40 pieces in each bundle. So this is one bundle technically. I just split it up when I colored the hair. But it comes with about 40 pieces. It could be about 36, 37 pieces, and it can be about 42 pieces or something. You know what I mean? It goes by weight, not by pieces. So the hair is super beautiful, buttery soft, and I'm gonna get ready to install this hair. I'm not gonna be talking through this video. We're gonna be moving. She's one of my regular clients, so I gotta get her in and out so I can get ready for the next. So I won't be talking through this video. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm gonna show you guys some video of how I do it and just the whole process of everything. You can order these bundles off of my website. Right now, my vendor, sometimes they allow us to order them, sometimes they don't because of how many orders they've been getting, which is understandable. It's a super popular style right now. It's a trend to get tape ins and eye tips right now. So you guys already know, sometimes they tell me no more orders. Sometimes they'll let me know I can start ordering back again. I think right now we can order. I don't know when you guys are going to see this video, but right now we can order, but it's about like 18 business days or something. So it's something ridiculous. And it used to be only like 8. So be patient. It's open right now on the website. Sometimes I do have to close it back down, but maybe I should have some. We'll see if I have some in stock, you guys. I don't know. I have so much going on with trying to keep the bundles in stock and the wigs in stock. Like, we'll see. We'll see. So, stay tuned. I'm about to install these bundles. Okay, so clearly I have to blow dry all of these curls out of this hair so we can get it straight. Here, I am just getting the hair ready to be colored. Of course, you guys know I colored her jet black, and now I am blow drying her out. Her hair is very lengthy. We've been growing it out for quite some time, switching up her styles, doing protective styles here and there, trying to get it to a healthy point. So now she finally wants to wear her hair out in the summertime, just so she can put her hair up, wear it down, all of, everything. So now I am just going to go through and make sure, it's pressed out properly, see what hair I'm going to leave out in order to put her hair up nicely. This is her natural ponytail with just a press. I haven't flat ironed anything yet. So now I'm just going to part everything off and see what covers what and so on and so forth. You guys know the drill. I got to cover all these tape ins. So I am going to peel the tapeins off. With my acrylic nails, it was really hard for me to pull it off, so I had to use tweezers some of the time. And I was actually trying different methods of adding it on to her hair. I've been looking and taking, notes from a lot of people just to figure out the most efficient and the fastest way for me to install these tape-ins. So, it's effective for my client and it's effective for me and my time as well. So after I get the two pieces of tape together, I actually use a tape and extension tool that helps push and adhere the two pieces of tape together even better, which is perfect because you need to smash them down so they stay for a long period of time through the shampooing and all of that. So I added a total of 3 bundles, and I actually put every single piece of tape-ins of those 3 bundles in her hair. So they were 3 bundles of 22 inches, colored jet black, and now I'm just going to go in and flat iron her straight, which is how she normally wears her Burmese curly hair all the time. And she doesn't really wear her hair natural, but she does appreciate the texture that it gives if she just so happens to get her hair wet from time to time. Normally, if she gets her hair wet, she's right back in here trying to get it flat ironed yet again because she likes to wear her hair straight. So I'm just going to flat iron her nice and flat, and then we'll get to the finished product.
Where are they? I am so sorry. I didn't know this.
Yes, I know this is
And maybe believe me, I am mortified.
Act right on this trip.
We're not going to any water parks, so we good.
Act right on the right, huh? There's so much hair. I feel like it's
She used them all?
every single piece.
on there already.
My ponytail, yay, I'm so excited.
If you could get one around it.
I'll do it. Or I'll use a banana clip.
Oh yeah, you can
Use
use
banana
that,
clips.
for sure. Yeah.
seriously,
Like,
It's like the best feeling in the world.
running my hands through my hair.
Okay.
Ooh, shoot. All right.
Oh my god, when it's so dark, I love it.
I know. I was like, okay, it's black.
Black. Oh my gosh, it's like nothing. This is like even flatter than the microlinks.
The track.
Yes.
So as you can see, my client absolutely loves her hair and I am very appreciative of her. So for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.